Diggs and Scooch. Today I want to clear a path to the new supply shed.
Oh.
Lug's already taken away one load, and I'd like you two to move the rest.
Okay, boss.
Mind behind. Mind behind.
Hasn't Bozer got a great reverse warning? It's loud, it's clear, and it lets everyone know he's coming. Having said that, mine's pretty nifty.
Oh, do yours, Diggs. I really like yours.
Oh, very well. Warning, warning, backhoe reversing, warning, warning.
Oh, that's fantastic. I can't think of anything that would make a machine get out of the way quicker than that.
Hello, forklift reversing. Don't just stand there with your grill open. Move it, or you'll be squished. Squished, do you hear me? Squished!
Oh, I wish mine was as good as yours and Carrie's.
What? Yours is fantastic. The best. Unforgettable. What is it again?
Oh. Excuse me, I'm really sorry, but I have to go backwards. Or, if you'd rather stay there, I could always go backwards somewhere else.
Scooch!
Just a minute, Diggs. I haven't got to the best bit. I could go backwards later, but... Oh, dear.
Excuse me, but construction site rule number 2 clearly states you should always give a reverse warning.
But I...
Forgetting your warning is one of the most dangerous things you can do.
Sorry, Lug.
You trucks.
Oh, Diggs.
Scooch, you were doing your warning. Why didn't you just tell him?
Oh, I tried, but the words just came out all jumbled up. Like they always do when I have to say something important. Oh, no. How embarrassing. I don't think I'll be able to ever look Lug in the headlights again.
Scooch. Before you start on the path clearing, I wonder if you wouldn't mind giving Lug a hand with his dump. He just needs some guidance. Someone to tell him what to do.
Oh, no.
All you have to do is be loud and be clear.
Oh, be loud and clear. Hello, Lug. Hello, Lug.
Oh, you gave me a terrible surprise. I nearly let go of my load.
Oh, sorry, Lug. Bozer sent me over to help you.
Oh, well, we better get on with it then. What I have to do is dump this load into that hole back there.
Oh, it's very narrow.
That's why you're here. You're going to have to guide me. Now, I would usually use my reverse warning, but I'm going to have to be able to hear you, so I shall remain silent.
Oh.
Now, please be loud and clear.
Oh, righto. Coming backwards in a sort of backwards kind of way. Pardon me. Thank you. Excuse me. Pardon me, coming back. Okay, lift a bit, just slightly, if you don't mind.
You're going to have to be louder than that. I can't hear you over my engine.
Oh, sorry, Lug. I'll try to be a bit more clear. Lift a bit and over to the right. Oh, well, actually, that might be a little bit far. Maybe it'll be a good idea if maybe you just...
Oh!
Didn't move anymore.
Why didn't you just tell me to stop? Okay, that's it. A bit more.
Come on, Lug.
Oh, Bozer, I really tried. Oh, I did so want to be loud and clear, but loud and clear didn't come out. Soft and jumbled up is what came out, just like it always does.
Have you any idea why that is, Scooch?
I suppose it's because I didn't want to sound silly.
Well, why don't you start thinking that what you're about to say is going to sound important? And it will.
But how do I do that?
Well, you, could try the Bozer method.
Oh,
First, take in some air. And think about what you're going to say.
oh, right.
Now imagine yourself saying what you want to say loud and clear.
Right.
Then say it.
That new shed is really great. It worked! I sounded great and not jumbled up at all.
Out of the way, dumper reversing. Out of the way.
Oh, there's Lug.
dumper reversing.
I hope he's not too cross with me.
Out of the way,
Lug's got a
dumper
great reverse warning. Oh no. Lug's heading straight for that new shed. I've got to warn him. That's no good. I've got to use the Bozer method. Right, now, take in air. Now, think about what you're going to say. Right, now, imagine yourself saying it. Now, say it.
Who said that?
Oh, it was me, Scooch. You nearly reversed into the shed.
Well, bless my brake drum. I haven't made a mistake like that in years. It must be because I'm not used to this new shed being here. Well, thank you, little dumper. That was a very good warning.
Well, coming from Lug, that's a big compliment. Well done, Scooch.
Hey, for a little dumper, you are one big noise.
That was top gear volume, Scooch. I can't imagine anyone having a voice as loud and clear as that.
Oh,
Well
thank
said,
you,
Dick.
Dix. Will you please keep the noise down? Huh, I'm in the middle of a very complicated lift.
Right. Come on, Maxine.
Back to work then. Right, yeah.
What's next up?
I've got to fill a ditch over by the outlet.
Okay.